atomic number and mass number. Before going to this concept, we must know how to represent the nucleus. How to represent the nucleus. Suppose nucleus symbol or element symbol is X. Suppose our element is X. Our element is X. Then whatever we write over here, that is Z. That is Z, and Z is nothing but atomic number. Atomic number, right? Atomic number. Here we used to write number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. And here we used to write mass number. Mass number. Mass number. Here we used to write stability, like star or etc. Star or nothing. If there is a star, then nucleus is unstable. Nucleus is radioactive. Radioactive nucleus. If there is no star, then non-radioactive. Non-radioactive. Right? Non-radioactive means, suppose like this, hydrogen, tritium. Tritium is a radioactive, like this. Used to write like this, star. And deuterium or protonium. Suppose protonium, and this is deuterium. This is deuterium. These are non-radioactive isotopes. Non-radioactive isotope. Therefore, we don't have to make star over there. Okay. Without star, non-radioactive. With star, radioactive nucleus. Right? Radioactive nucleus. So, like this, we used to represent nucleus. Here Z means number of proton. Number of protons. ओके. आणि त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, मास नंबर, सॉरी, ॲटॉमिक नंबर. ॲटॉमिक number, right? And this atomic number gives us information about number of protons in neutral atom, right? Neutral atom. Number of electrons in neutral atom. We used to write element like this. X is the element under representation. We are considering X as a element. X is element, right? X means symbol of element symbol, right? X is element symbol. Z is number of protons. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, ॲटॉमिक नंबर असं म्हणतो. आणि त्याला काय पुढे म्हणतात, नंबर. दिस रिप्रेझेंट नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द न्यूट्रल ॲटम. हियर n means number of neutrons present in the nucleus. Here A means mass number. Mass number is nothing but summation of number of proton and number of neutron. Number of proton and number of neutron. A means mass number, that is nothing but number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay. Star represents stability. Stability or instability. If star is present, star represent, here I will write here, star represent stability or instability. Instability. If star is present, then instability. Instability. And star is absent. If star is absent, then stability. Nucleus is stable, like this. Suppose hydrogen means protonium and deuterium are unstable isotopes of hydrogen. These are represented without star. And tritium H3 means this is radioactive isotope, therefore we are making star over there. So this is about representation of nucleus. We used to represent like this. Suppose X is the element, then here in this area subscript it is left subscript, right subscript, right? Left subscript, right subscript. Z subscript represents number of protons, that is nothing but atomic number, and that represent number of electrons in the neutral atom. N represents number of neutrons, and A represents mass number. Here this area is for representing their activity, nature of radioactivity. If that element is radioactivity, then make here sign star radioactivity. If that star is absent, then nucleus or that element is non-radioactive. If that star is absent, star is present, radioactive. Star absent, non-radioactive. Star present, unstable. Star absent, stable. Right? So this is about the representation of nucleus. Atomic number. This atomic number is nothing but number of protons, or in neutral atom case, neutral atom, in case of in neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Number of proton is equal to number of electrons. In case of neutral atom, number of protons equals to number of electrons. So atomic number is equal to number of protons and is equal to number of electrons. In case of neutral atom. In case of neutral atom, atomic number is nothing but number of protons and is equal to number of electrons in case of neutral atom. So next mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons, number of protons plus number of neutrons, right? Number of protons means P and number of neutrons means N, number of neutrons means N. Mass number represented by symbol A. So A means mass number is equal to P plus N, P plus N. And atomic number is represented by Z, symbol Z, and Z is equal to number of proton is equal to P and is equal to E, in case of neutral atom. In case of neutral atom, Z is equal to P. We can write Z, atomic number is equal to number of proton, P. Z is equal to P. And mass number A is equal to P plus N, P plus N. आता P plus N means number of protons plus number of neutrons, number of protons plus number of neutrons, P plus N, P plus N. These are present in the nucleus. Here that protons and neutrons are present, these are present in the nucleus. Therefore, these particles are called as nucleons. These particles are called as nucleons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Therefore, protons and neutrons are called as nucleons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Therefore, these particles are called as nucleons. Okay. So these are nuclides. We write, okay, like this in the group format I write. Okay, so see here, 1 hydrogen 1 where it is written at the place of atomic mass means A. Here for this case hydrogen H1, okay, H1. For the case of H1 here A is equal to how much? A is equal to how much? 1. Atomic mass is equal to 1. Hydrogen having atomic number 1. So Z is equal to 1. A is equal to Z plus N. Okay, Z is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. What is the value of N? N is equal to 0, means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this is full representation. Of this nuclide. Okay, here star is not given, so stable it is. So 1 0. So this is a isotope of hydrogen and called it as a protonium. See next H2 त्याच्या डोक्यावरती 2 लिहिले बरं, डोक्यावरती 2 लिहिलेले. आता हायड्रोजन आहे म्हणजे त्याचा झेड किती असेल? झेड असेल 1. आता 1 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2, मग न्यूट्रॉन नंबर सुद्धा 1 असेल, त्याचा न्यूट्रॉन नंबर सुद्धा 1 असेल. याला काय म्हणतात? प्रोटोनियम. ओके, याला काय म्हणतात? ड्यूटेरियम. आता नेक्स्ट H3 हायड्रोजन H3 त्याचा प्रोटॉनचा नंबर किती असेल? 1 असेल. हायड्रोजनमध्ये एकच प्रोटॉन आहे, न्यूट्रॉन नंबर डिफरंट असू शकतात. सो 1 + 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 त्याला म्हणतात ट्रिसियम. राईट, ट्रिसियम. सो प्रोटोनियम, ड्यूटेरियम, ट्रिशियम याच्यामध्ये काय सेम आहे बरं? सेम काय आहे? तर सेम नंबर आहे. सेम नंबर काय आहे? प्रोटॉन नंबरचं सेम आहे. प्रोटॉन नंबर सेम. पहा, प्रोटॉन नंबर 1 इथं, इथंसुद्धा 1, इथंसुद्धा 1. प्रोटॉन नंबर 1, प्रोटॉन नंबर 1, इथंसुद्धा प्रोटॉन नंबर 1. देअरफॉर दीज आर न्यूक्लियाइड्स. न्यूक्लियाइड्स हे काय? न्यूक्लियाइड्स. न्यूक्लियाइड्स having same atomic number but different mass number is called as isotopes. तर मग पहिली डेफिनेशन आपल्याला भेटली. आयसोटोप्स. तर आयसोटोप म्हणजे काय? तर isotopes are nuclides having same atomic number but different mass number. Simultaneously we are learning how to represent nuclide, and simultaneously what do you mean by isotopes, what do you mean by isobars, what do you mean by isomers, we have to learn. Okay, isotope, isobar आणि isotones. Isotopes, isomers, isotope C, isotopes, isobars, isotones and isomers C. Isotope, isobar, isotone, isomer. These are four terms we have to learn. These four terms: isotopes, isobars, isotones and isomers. Iso means same. Now isotopes are nuclides having same atomic number but different mass number. Isotopes are nuclides having same atomic number but different mass number. Like this. See here, H1, H2, H3. Proton number for this hydrogen 1. Neutron number 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. Okay, 2. So nuclide having same mass number but different, same atomic number. Here atomic number we are representing here, same atomic number but different mass number. Or we can write or nuclides of same element means proton number same. Nuclides of same element having different mass number. Nuclides of same element having different mass. Same element, hydrogen. These are isotopes. Take second example. This pair, this hydrogen, protonium, deuterium, tritium are isotopes, right? These are isotopes, right? Okay, take next example. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Chlorine atomic number 17. 35 is the mass number. 35 is the mass number. See, 35 means A is equal to Z plus N. A is equal to 35. Z is equal to how much? 17. N is equal to how much? N is equal to 18. 17 plus 18 is equal to 35. So here 18. This is presumed. 17 is the atomic number. Mass number, what should be the mass number to have mass, what should be the neutron number to have mass number 37? To have mass number 37, it should be 20. Neutron number should be 20. So see, proton number is same. For these two, proton number is same, but different mass number. Therefore, we can write these two as a isotope. Isotopes. Okay. Isotopes. Same mass number, same atomic number, but different mass number. We can observe here 17, here also 17, here 18, here 20, means same. This different mass number is because of different neutron number. Therefore, we can also write it as or same atomic number, or same proton, but different neutrons. Different number of neutrons, here 18 and here 20. So these are isotopes. See, next, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. These are also of same element, isotopes. Nuclide of same element, carbon, nuclides of same element having different mass number, 12, 13, 14. So these are also isotopes. So carbon having 3 isotopes, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Among these two means carbon 12 and 13 are stable, but carbon 14 is unstable isotope of carbon. So we can write like this. Tritium is also unstable, so we can write star on the head of tritium. Right. Next, oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18. Oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18. Mass number is different. Same element, nucleides of same element. Mass number is different. So isotopes. Oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18 are isotopes. Oxygen 16 means atomic number 8, neutron number 8. Atomic number 8, neutron number 9. Atomic number 8, neutron number 10. 8 plus 10, 18. 8 plus 10, 18. Right. So this is about isotopes. Isotopes are nucleides of same element having different mass number. म्हणजे जे ते डोक्यावरती आपण ए लिहायचो तो एचा नंबर डिफरंट असेल, बाकीचं सगळं सारखं असेल. तर आयसोटोप्स ऑफ हायड्रोजन, प्रोटोनियम, ड्यूटेरियम, ट्रिशियम. आयसोटोप्स ऑफ क्लोरीन, क्लोरीन 35, क्लोरीन 37. Isotopes of carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Isotopes of oxygen, oxygen 16, oxygen 17, oxygen 18. These are isotopes of hydrogen, chlorine, carbon and oxygen. Okay, so next, isobars. Isobars are nuclide. Isobars are nucleids of different element having same mass number, same mass number. Isobar, isobar, bar means isobar, bar means mass number. Isobar, isobar, we write like this, bar, a bar, a bar. Isobar means whatever written at the bar position. Isobar means whatever written at the position of bar, at the position of bar, a bar, like this. This is same. These isotopes are called as isobars. Iso means same, bar means at the bar position, at the bar position, at the bar position whatever written, and that is what? Mass number. Mass number is same, mass number is same. Isobar means nuclide of different element. Different element means proton number is different, having same mass number, having same mass number, same mass number, that is called as isobar. Isobars are nuclides having different proton number but same mass number. Different proton number, same mass number. Different proton number, same mass number. Isobar has to have same mass number. Isobar has to same mass number. Same mass number, same mass number, like this. Argon 40, potassium 40 and calcium 40. These are isobars. These are isobars. C, argon 40, potassium 40 and calcium 40. Calcium 40. These are isobars. These are isobars. C, argon 40. Argon having atomic number 18. 18, 22. 18 plus 22, 40. 18 plus 22, 40. Potassium having atomic number 19. 19 plus 21. 19 plus 21, 14. Okay, 14. 40, sorry, 40. Calcium 40. Calcium having atomic number 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40. So, argon 40, potassium 40 and calcium 40 having same mass number. So, these are isobars. These are isobars. Next, H, hydrogen 3. Hydrogen 3 means tritium. Tritium. Okay, hydrogen having atomic number 1. Neutron number should be 2 to have 3 mass number. To have 3 mass number. Helium 3 means helium having atomic number 2. Mass number 1. Mass number, sorry, neutron number 1. 1 plus, sorry, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Hydrogen 3, helium 3. These are isobars having same mass number. Same mass number है ना, म्हणून ते isobars आहेत. Isobars. Okay. See next example. Carbon 14, nitrogen 14, nitrogen 14, nitrogen 14. Carbon 40, nitrogen 14, nitrogen 14. So, carbon having atomic number 7, neutron number 7 to have 14 mass number. Nitrogen having, sorry, carbon having atomic number 6, atomic number 6. Neutron number should be 8 to have 14, to have 14 mass number. Nitrogen having mass, proton number 7, neutron number 7, 14 is the mass number. So, carbon 14, nitrogen 14. These are isobars. Iron 58, iron 58, nickel 58, nickel 58. Iron having atomic number 26, 26 plus something is equal to 58, 58 minus 26 to 32, 32, 26 plus 32 is equal to 58. Nickel having atomic number 28, 28, 28 plus 30 is equal to 58, is equal to 58. Iron 58 and nickel 58. These are isobars. these are isobar. Okay, observe these isobars H3, He3. See, here atomic number is 1, here neutron number is equal to 1, here neutron number is equal to 2, here atomic number is equal to 2. So these are mirror isobars. Pa, these are isobars basically, but in one isobar, whatever is the number of proton, that is going to be neutron number in second isotope, and whatever neutron number is there, that is going to be proton number. Therefore these types of isobars is called as mirror isobars. Mirror isobars or mirror nucleides. Mirror nucleides or mirror isobars are those isobars in which proton number and neutron number are exchanged. Nucleides in which proton number and neutron number are exchanged, that is called as mirror nuclide or mirror isobars. Next concept is isotones. Third concept is isotones. Isotones are nucleides having same neutron number. Same neutron number. See, in carbon 13, 7 neutron number. How many neutrons are there? 7 in carbon 13. Nitrogen 14, how many number of neutron? 7 neutron number. So neutron number same, therefore isotones. These are isotones, means carbon 13 and carbon 14 are isotones. Next example, H, hydrogen 3 means tritium, and He4, neutron number is same, C, 2. So these are isotones. Same neutron number, isotones. Isotones are nucleides having same neutron number. Right. This is about isotones. Right. Next concept, isobar नहीं तर isomers. Fourth concept, isomers are nuclide having same proton number, neutron number and atomic mass numbers. Nuclide having same isomers are those nucleides having same atomic number, same neutron number, same proton number, but different stability. Different stability due to different spin and parity. Spin and parity in the nucleus. Okay, nucleides having same proton number, same neutron number and same. आता या आयसोमर्सच्या केसमध्ये सगळं प्रोटॉन नंबर NP Z, NP NZ सगळं सारखं आहे, पण याच्यात काय स्टॅबिलिटी डिफरंट असते, फक्त काय असते, स्टॅबिलिटी डिफरंट असते. दीज आर कॉल्ड ॲज आयसोमर्स. आता एक्झाम्पल त्याचं काय आहेत, एक्झाम्पल कोबाल्ट 60 घ्या तुम्ही, कोबाल्ट 60 अँड कोबाल्ट 60 मेटास्टेबल, cobalt 60 and cobalt 60 metastable. Here metastable means this cobalt 60, suppose cobalt 60 here, cobalt 60 metastable is there, this is converted into cobalt 60 stable, here we are not writing some nothing we are writing, therefore cobalt 60 stable. This is stability gain is because of ejection of gamma particle, See, nucleids having same proton number, same neutron number, same atomic number, same mass number, but different stability due to different spin and parity. If we unable to rememberize, then up to this definition, different stability, nucleids having same proton number, same neutron number and same mass number, but different stability is called as isomers. Cobalt 60 and cobalt 60 metastable, these are isomers of each other. Next, bromine 80 and bromine 80 metastable, these are what, isomers. Okay, so isotopes, isobars, isotones, see, isotopes, isobars, isotones, isomers, these are types of nuclide. Okay, isotopes, proton number, that is Z, neutron number, atomic number. आयसोटोप्सच्या केसमध्ये Z काय सेम असेल, न्यूट्रॉन नंबर काय असेल, डिफरंट असेल, सेम, डिफरंट आणि डिफरंट, Z सेम, N डिफरंट, A डिफरंट. आयसोबार डिफरंट, Z डिफरंट, N what, डिफरंट आणि atomic mass number means A सेम. आयसोबार. आयसोटोन केसमध्ये कोण सेम असेल, न्यूट्रॉन नंबर सेम, अदर डिफरंट. ओके, डिफरंट, राईट. आयसोमर्स सेम. What is different in this case? Stability डिफरंट असेल, येतात स्टॅबिलिटी डिफरंट असेल. इकडं स्टॅबिलिटी हा वर्ड येणार नाही इकडल्यासाठी, फक्त स्टॅबिलिटी हा वर्ड कुठे येईल, फॉर द केस ऑफ आयसोमर्स, राईट. आयसोमर्स, आयसोटोप्स having nucleids having same atomic number or same atomic number but different mass number. Isobar, same mass number, different atomic number. Isotones, same neutron number. Isomers, same atomic number, neutron number and mass number, but different stability. This is about isotopes, isobars, isotones and isomers. Okay, next, types of nucleids means radioactive nucleids and stable nucleids and unstable nucleids. Next concept, आता न्यूक्लिएट्स जे असतात तुमचे ते आयदर काय असतील, स्टेबल असतील किंवा अनस्टेबल असतील. ओके, अनस्टेबल असतील. स्टेबल nucleides or non-radioactive nucleides, non-radioactive nucleides. ओके, स्टेबल न्यूक्लियाइड्स किंवा त्यालाच आपण नॉन रेडिओ न्यूक्लियाइड्स असं म्हणतो. तर स्टेबल न्यूक्लियाइड्स डझंट अंडरगो स्पॉन्टेनियस डिसइंटिग्रेशन. स्पॉन्टेनियस डिसइंटिग्रेशन इज कॉल्ड एज स्टेबल न्यूक्लियाइड्स. मीन्स रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह वर्डचा अर्थ काय? रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय? रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह किंवा रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्हिटी. Radioactivity is the phenomenon of spontaneous disintegration of nucleus. Spontaneous disintegration of nucleus. Spontaneous phenomenon. Radioactivity is the spontaneous phenomenon in which one nuclide get disintegrate to another, or one nuclide changes their stability spontaneously. So radioactivity means which undergo spontaneous disintegration or degradation. Stable nuclide and this is also called as non-radioactive nuclides. तर रेडिओ न्यूक्लियाइड्स बघा आपल्याकडे खूप सारे आहेत. ट्रिसियम तुमचा हायड्रोजन 3 He3 म्हणजे ट्रिसियम काय? रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह आहे तुमचा. कार्बन 14 is also a radioactive isotopes. तुमचा कोबाल्ट 60 मेटास्टेबल तो सुद्धा काय? रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह आहे. किंवा तुमचा ब्रोमीन 80 मेटास्टेबल हा सुद्धा काय? रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह आयसोटोप्स. ओके, रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह आयसोटोप्स. आता नेक्स्ट टाईप नॉन रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह किंवा अनस्टेबल न्यूक्लियाइड्स किंवा त्याला आपण रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियाइड्स म्हणतो. रेडिओ ॲक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियाइड्स. तर एक्झाम्पल दीज आर unstable nucleides. So we should write over here, these are unstable nucleides. Tritium, carbon 14, cobalt 60 metastable, bromine 80 metastable. These are unstable किंवा radioactive nucleides. आता स्टेबलचे एक्झाम्पल आपण इकडे लिहूया. स्टेबलचे एक्झाम्पल्स: कार्बन तुमचे 12, कार्बन 13, ऑक्सिजन 16, ऑक्सिजन 17, ऑक्सिजन 18, H1, प्रोटोनियम H2. These are chlorine 35, chlorine 37. These are stable nuclide or non-radioactive nucleides. Okay. Physical properties and chemical properties of nucleides. Physical and chemical properties of nucleides. Okay. So physical properties get changed on changing nuclear composition as well as electron composition. Physical property get changed by nuclear as well as electron composition. Chemical property get changed only after changing after electron composition. composition, right? Electron composition. Suppose H1 10 H1 11 2 H3 1 2. Okay, these are isotopes. Protonium, deuterium, and tritium. These are isotopes. Okay, only nuclear composition is getting changed. Nuclear composition is getting changed. Therefore, only isotopes having only different physical properties, same chemical properties, means isotopes having same chemical properties, as nuclear composition is not getting, electron composition is not getting changed in case of isotope. Therefore, having same chemical properties but different physical properties, isotopes मध्ये आपण इलेक्ट्रॉन कंपोजिशन चेंज करत नाही, त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सारख्या राहतात आयसोटोपच्या, पण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होतात, कारण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी गेट चेंज ऑन चेंजिंग न्यूक्लियर कंपोजिशन ॲज वेल ॲज इलेक्ट्रॉन कंपोजिशन. ओके, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी कधी चेंज होतात? फक्त आफ्टर चेंजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कंपोजिशन. इलेक्ट्रॉनच्या देवाणघेवाण झाली तरच केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होते. न्यूट्रॉनची वगैरे देवाणघेवाण झाली तर चेंज होत नाहीत केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. मीन्स आयसोटोप्स हॅविंग सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बट डिफरंट फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. Isotopes having same chemical property but different physical properties, right?